this is a place to learn about space and science and technology. My favorite part about it is the exhibits, the history, and how it's teaching to the general public about space.
Colin was diagnosed with autism right before he turned 4. But Colin's very special. He didn't have pragmatic language. He didn't carry on a conversation for about 7 years. It was kind of a security issue. To be able to have a relaxing vacation away, it just wasn't possible.
What they used to do is for the rocket, they used to sit right in this capsule.
Colin is able to do so many things now. Kennedy Space Center is very good about accommodating anybody that comes here with any exceptionalities. You don't have to worry when you come here because they're able to use their resources and their references to really put you in the place where you can have the most positive experience.